Hi there, this is Steve with O'Hagan Electric, and this is Helpful Tips and Information. Today we're over in Laguna Niguel, or Nelligale, and we're changing out some MR16s to LED lights, so they're a lot more efficient, brighter, and just a better quality light. The MR16s are also known for getting really hot, so it's just a better situation. Stay tuned. Hi guys, we're back over here with O'Hagan Electric with helpful tips and information. Here we go, the final results of the lights being put in. Instead of having MR16s that get really hot and they don't produce a lot of light and they don't last a long time, instead we have now LEDs and they're a lot brighter, big time, and they look a lot cleaner. So here you go, final finishing product. And we also put some puck lights in here, which are off 12 volts. So that's really nice too. Yeah. Have a great day. Thanks so much for joining us and seeing those final results. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Make sure you give us a call at 949-877-4945.